So this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a beautiful tandem gate that's made out of two pieces. And we're here in Venice, California. As you know, there is a lot of parking issues in here because a lot of people having their garage right here in the alley, so they cannot do a sliding gate that will slide into the neighbor, and they cannot do a swing gate. So this is the solution that we provided for this house. And look at this beautiful gate. I'll get close in a minute and you will see the product itself and how beautiful it is. But for now, just look at the function and look how this gate is made out of two wings. One is going a little bit faster, and one on the left goes faster, and look how beautifully and nice it's closing. And now let's get closer so you can really understand the beauty of this product. Because usually when you see tandem gates, you always see them with chains and motors that have chains. We do lots of tandem gates. We do all the most complicated gates probably in the world, because we're Mulholland. Most of what we do is on hilly terrains and kind of funky situations and on the hills. And this gate, as you can see, look how beautiful and classy. And look at the small motor on the bottom, so there is no chains or anything like that. And this is actually a pattern that we invented to have those gates made in a very classic and simple way. This gate made out of aluminum. It's also powder coated, so it's really nice. And as I'm getting closer, you can see the beauty of the product itself and how nice the color, the coating. It's powder coated. We call this color the saddle color. And usually with tandem gates there is a big gap between the two wings, and look at it in here. It's very, very minimal, and of course it closed up really beautifully in here. Look at the guide wheels, how nice, classy and small. And this is the receiving post in here. You can see how it's going right inside. There is also a piece right on the top here that protects from lifting up that gate out of the truck. And here on that side we also closed it up. It's all look really nice. And again, look at the guides, the wheel guides or the guide wheels. And here is this beautiful classic small motor that does tremendous by keeping everything looking nice and classy. I'm going to go a little bit further so you can see the whole thing, and let's open it. Give it a click. And see how the two wings are opening. This is a tandem gate, so all we need is about half of the room of the opening for it to go in there. And look how nice it's closing. There is a little bumper right there, and it closes and have like half an inch bouncing back, looking good. Another click on the remote. We let it close again. And let's go to the receiving post so we can see how it's closing right here. Beautiful. That's about it. If you need help with getting a tandem gate or any kind of gate, give us a call at 1-800-5625-770. Avi Ben David at Mulholland. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.